Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we'll see how to Linux server securely copy remotely and locally files. Let's go. Today we'll see. This is our Linux. It is Alpha Linux 9. This is our it is Ubuntu 20. Let's go. We're first of all local copy directory file and directory or file. Let's go. We are when we local any file folder copy. That time we are using cp. cp. Let's go. We are going to test. Here is the two file. We are create another left. Just copy one folder. Here is copy cp copy lab 1 2 copy which copy lab text copy where copy var our lab permission deny it is to permission deny just for your root user that have notes. Let's go ls are our labs. Yeah, here is our lab. City for our lab. Here is the lab 1. This copy is done. Same way process. Where directory copy cd test cp lab where copy for our lab. Yeah, permission or R. When you directory copy that time sudo yeah let's go no copy because it is not file it is directory. Always remember when you directory copy must be your R for redirectly copy. Let's go. We are city for our lab. Here is the lab also copy. We can cd test lab task lab lab 2 lab 1. Just we have two file create here lab 3 lab 4. Permission denied because it is not our sudo user, that's why permission denied. Here is lab 1, lab 2, and lab 3 and 4. Just have one change directory var our lab. Just one folder. Let's go test cp lab 2 lab 3 Lab 4. While copy are our lab just permission denied because it is our not root user sudo. Let's go see cd var our lab. Yeah, copy it done. It is Debian version. Let's go where Red Hat version. Same process. Uh, just create one directory. Dra lab. Just lab cd task today text just task today 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 2 3 4 1. Yeah, here is a creator folder. Let's go. Here is a cd temp. It is just make mkdir level left cd left. There is no file or folder. Let's go just for where left. And we are copy here all file or folder. cp star mean all this directory all file or folder copy this directory. Let's go just where we are get it is a lab. Just copy. Let's go cd it is a lab. All text copy here. Just star for all current directory all folder file. Where copy? That's it. Same way, similar way directory copy. Let's go to lab. Here I'm here today. Here is copy. The where copy. It is the lab. Not copy because it's directory. Now I think it's copy done. cd it is the lab. Yeah, copy is done. Yeah, this is now we are. This is silent solution. Here we can get Linux, Windows related many video. I think you have many idea here. Please subscribe my channel. Now we are discuss SCP. Let's go. SCP is a secure shell copy. This is SCP. Here we Let's go. This is this is our remote server SCP had two had coffee. This whiz file coffee, your file name as user, whiz remote server user, and remote file, and whiz directory. This is our remote server directory. There is no file folder. Let's go. Yes, permission. I think now there is one. Let's go just where scp one two there's two or three just coffee. Yeah, two or three just copy remote server one or four. Yeah, copy. Now our remote server is copy. First of all, which file copy, which server user copy, where is copy. It's let's go now scp lab root or server IP 2. Just we are media. Trigger cipher no source object or let's go. I think is problem. Where is problem? Yeah, we are find so problem scp lab. Yeah, let's go. There is no. Yeah, our lab is gone. It's done. When is directory must be here. Thanks for watching.